Hey guys, it's Sandra again, and today I'll be demonstrating to you on how you can create 3 awesome things with just a piece of paper. What do you think they are? These 3 things I'll show you right now. You take the piece of paper right here, you can refer to the screen, and place it vertically and fold it in half. Start by folding it in half nicely and make sure that there's no parts here coming out. And then you fold it again from right to left or left to right and make a crease in the middle on the right. That will be your guideline for you. When you want to take the top right corner, fold it towards the middle, and the top left corner to fold it in the middle. Now, you see these 2 flaps here? We take these and we fold it upwards, inwards. The same goes from the other side, upwards, inwards. If we want to make it neater, we just take these extra flaps and put it in and re-put it upwards. And there you have a party hat. Next, we take this and open from the bottom and push downwards. Now we have a cube for you to look at. You take this, the flaps here, and you push it upwards, inwards. Again, it's all repetitive, it's very easy. You can do this with your friends and family. Do it for both sides and look inwards again from the bottom and push it. Now you should have a smaller, cuter cube, and if you look now, you have something that you can pull out. So you pull it out and you get a boat. See, isn't this cool? It's a boat. And finally, if you look inside the boat, there are flaps, the flaps that you had folded in just now. We pull it out, pull both left and right folds out, and lay it flat. Lay it flat, and you will notice that there are 4 flaps. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It looks similar from the back and the front. We take these flaps, either start from the left or right. I'm starting from the left, and fold it inwards to the right. Take the right side, fold it inwards to the left. Flip it, lay it flat, and do the same. Repeat your steps. Finally, you have this cube again, not a cube, a square, and you take these remaining 2 flaps and fold upwards, upwards, inwards. And you turn it around, fold upwards, inwards. Now, when you open it, make sure to open it carefully so that it will decrease the chances of having tears. And open it carefully, and voila, you have a cube box. You have a box, and you can use this box to put your pencil shavings if you have a sharpener and you just want to use this as a temporary dustbin. It's very useful. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial on how to make these 3 awesome things, and thank you for watching.